So now I am going to solve one problem on liquidation. So this is the question. Boss Company Limited went into voluntary liquidation on 31st 3 2018, on which date dividends on preference share were in arrears for 3 years. That means we have to pay 3 years arrears. Following is the position of the company. Share capital 6,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each, rupees 50 per share paid up, rupees 3 lakh. That means out of total 6 lakh, the company is received only 3 lakh. Remaining 3 lakh, that means remaining 50 should be received. That is when the company makes call. Second, 3,000 6% preference shares of rupees 100 each, fully paid 3 lakh. That means C, 3 lakh capital is there, 3 lakh 6%. We are getting 1 year. So 18,000 for 1 year. So 3 years means 54,000. That should be paid when the company is going to liquidate it or winding up. That means total 3 lakh plus 54,000. Total 3 lakh 54,000 should be paid when the company is going to liquidate it, if the amount is available. Now liabilities, secured loans against machinery, that means 30,000. They are safe. Those who are supply loan to company, that is 30,000. They supply loan to the company 30,000. Unsecured creditors 70,000. Bills payable 40,000. Preferential creditors 8,100. These two are unsecured. Both are unsecured, but so preference should be given to this. So asset realized machinery 70,000. See, so secured loan against machinery 30,000 is there. Now the asset is what? That is realized 70,000, more than 40,000. That means machinery value is what? Now it is 70,000. So we have excess amount, surplus amount is there. 70,000 minus 30,000, that is 40,000. That is surplus amount. That is surplus received from secured creditors. The difference amount is what? That is excess amount. So other assets 3,44,000. The liquidation expense and legal expenses amounted to rupees 1,000 and 3,000 respectively. So according to the format, 1,000, 3,000. The liquidator is entitled to a remuneration of 12,000 fixed. 12,000 fixed, that is fixed. That is first one, and a commission of 5% on the amount paid to the preference shareholders as capital and dividend. He will receive. The liquidator will receive 5%. That means 5% on preference capital and as well as dividend. That means 3 lakh plus 54,000. So total 3 lakh 54,000 if sufficient amount is there, and 5% on the total amount of assets realized. So we know already what is the amount of asset realized. Asset realized what? Here asset realized 3,44,000 plus 70,000. These two are what? Asset realized. So that means 4,14,000. For 4,14,000 he will get 5% for that amount, and also collected by him, and 5% on amount collected from equity shareholders. So total amount balance is there 3 lakh. So we know after calculation how many we have to call from equity shareholders, then only we can calculate. So prepare liquidator final statement of account. So this is the problem. So I will explain. So in receipt side, so the liquidator is going to collect monies. See, 30,000 secured creditors there. That means that is secured on machinery. That's why. So now the machine value is what? 70,000. So 70,000. So this 30,000, remaining 40,000, that is excess amount, surplus amount. So other assets realized what? 3,44,000. So don't calculate now. So this part is later we will calculate. Now the format is there. If you write secure creditors, that is 30,000. Here you write machinery value, that is 70,000. Both are same. You are getting same. If you write starting from secure creditors, that is 30,000. Here you write what? So machinery, that is 70,000. Both are same. Now legal expense is there, that is given in problem 1000. Liquidation expense, that is 3000. Now the most important part, remuneration part, that is fixed. Remuneration is fixed, that is 12,000. 5% paid to preference shareholders. Don't calculate now this one. When we are going to make payment, on that time we will calculate this one. So leave as it is, right as it is, 5% paid to preference share, because so we don't know how much money we are going to pay for preference shareholders. That's why don't calculate now. We don't know whether it is sufficient to pay preference shareholders or preference shareholders. That's why don't calculate now. So 5% on asset raise, we know that one. So asset raise what? 3,44,000 plus 70,000. We get 4,14,000. I think 4,14,000 into 5%. That is what? 20,700. That it will come 20,700. So this also don't calculate, because we don't know how much money the liquidator is going to collect from equity shareholders. That's why don't calculate now. Leave as it is. So now the format is what? Unsecured creditors part. So preferential creditors, that is 8,100, because we know we have sufficient amount. See, already we have 3,84,000. That's why it is possible to pay preferential creditors as well as unsecured creditors as well as bills payable, because we have 3,84,000. We paid little bit amount. So now we have to pay total 3,54,000. Now here 3,88,000, something is there, that means remaining 1,50,000. I think we have to collect. There is amount 3 lakh, that is unpaid balance is there. So now I am going to calculate this part. So now see, calculation of amount to be collected on calls. Total payment up to preference shareholders except remuneration, excluding remuneration, that is 1,000, 3,000, 12,000, 17,700, 20,700, 8,100, 70,000 plus 40,000. See, this is possible because we have sufficient amount. 3,54,000 amount is there, because we have another 3 lakh is there. That's why now we should calculate 3,54,000 percentage, that is 5%. We are getting 17,700. So this part I'll explain. See, 1,000, 3,000, 12,000 plus 17,700, 20,700 plus 8,100 plus 70,000 plus 40,000. So this is possible because 54,000 plus 3 lakh, total payment what? 5,26,500. So less we have amount, that is this amount only, 40,000 plus 3,44,000. So that is 3,84,000. So amount required excluding remuneration. Here remuneration is not included. That's why that is 1,42,500. So 1,42,500. Remuneration is what? This amount we are going to call. That means liquidator is going to call this amount from equity shareholders. So this part include 5%. That's why this is excluding remuneration. That's why. So remuneration is what? 5% on amount collected. So this is 95%. 5% is more. We have to collect 5% more. That means this is what? 95%. That's why 1,42,500 into 100 by 95. That is 1,50,000. So liquidator going to call this amount from equity shareholders. That is 1,50,000. Now we know 1,50,000 here. The liquidator is going to collect 1,50,000. For that 5% what? 7,500. Now total should be 5,34,000. Here also 5,34,000. So this is the final statement of account.